Hi there. Today we're going to talk about Agile Marketing. So we will explain what Agile Marketing means and how can your marketing team become agile. The word agile comes from the Agile project management methodology. This is a process of work which is adopted by the biggest software development companies in the world. And that agile approach to work emphasizes speed, flexibility, and collaboration. Teams who adopt the agile work methodology are typically small teams, and they work in short cycles called sprints, where they test everything and come up with new solutions and tasks on the go. As digital marketing became a large part of the marketing department's scope, marketing teams started to adopt the Agile project management methodology as well. Traditional marketing departments had long set-in-stone marketing plans, which no longer fit the narrative of digital marketing, where everything is much more dynamic and happens in real time. And that's when Agile Marketing was born. Agile Marketing is a tactical marketing approach inspired by the same principles that we just explained. The key features of Agile Marketing include speed, iteration, adaptability, and customer-focused collaboration. And this approach allows marketers to adapt to changes rapidly and to try new ways of reaching out to their customers more efficiently. The Agile Marketing approach has a number of principles, and the first principle is short, focused work cycles. Agile marketing teams use sprints, which are short, defined periods of work. Typically, they last from 1 to 4 weeks maximum. And during a sprint, specific goals are set and the team collaborates to achieve these goals. The second principle of Agile marketing is data-driven decision-making. Agile marketing relies heavily on data and metrics. These insights help teams understand what is working, what isn't, and where they can improve. Rather than sticking rigidly to a long-term plan, agile marketers pivot and adjust based on real-time data. Principle number 3 is iterative campaigns. And so instead of launching extensive, massive campaigns, agile marketing teams implement smaller, iterative campaigns. These campaigns are continually tested, evaluated, and optimized, and that allows for faster response to changes in the market and better resource allocation for those teams. The fourth principle is cross-functional teams. Agile marketing encourages collaboration across different teams and departments. This cross-functionality brings diverse perspectives and it encourages creative problem solving and fostering a more holistic approach to marketing. Principle number 5 is customer centricity. Agile marketing is centered on the customer, and by being flexible and adaptable, agile marketers can quickly respond to customer feedback and changing customer behavior. That ensures that the business stays relevant and competitive. Principle number 6 is continuous improvement. And this is one of the key agile values here. After each sprint, agile marketing teams conduct a retrospective, and they do that to reflect on what worked, what didn't, and how they can improve in the next sprint. In essence, agile marketing is about adaptability and responsiveness. It's about breaking down larger projects into manageable, testable chunks and then iterating on them based on performance and insights gathered from real-time data. This approach allows businesses to stay competitive, maximize marketing ROI, and keep their marketing efforts aligned with their customers' ever-evolving needs and behaviors. So if you want your marketing team to adopt the Agile methodology, here are the steps to follow. First of all, you should assemble an Agile team. So start by forming a cross-functional team that includes members from different areas of your marketing department. That could include strategy, content, SEO, design, social media, or any other department. A diverse team allows for more collaboration and innovative problem solving. The second step is Agile training. And so you need to provide training for your team on Agile principles and methodologies. This might include taking an Agile marketing course, watching videos, or bringing in an Agile coach. Training should cover key Agile concepts, and that includes sprints, stand-ups, and retrospectives. The third step is to define your marketing backlog. The marketing backlog is a prioritized list of tasks or projects that your team will work on. Items can range from small tasks like creating a social media post to larger projects like launching a new marketing campaign. You should prioritize items in the backlog based on their value to the business. Step number 4 is to plan your first sprint. So once your backlog is ready, plan your first sprint. Decide on the duration of your sprint, that's first of all, and it's usually between 2 to 4 weeks. The team then commits to completing a certain number of tasks from the backlog during this period. Step number 5 is conducting daily stand-ups. Stand-ups are a big part of the Agile methodology. During the sprint, the team should hold daily stand-up meetings. And in these brief meetings, each team member shares what they worked on the day before, what they plan to work on for the day, and share any obstacles that they're facing. This keeps everyone informed and helps identify issues early. The 6th step is to use a visible workflow. So you can use a board or a project management tool to visualize your workflow. Tools like Trello or Jira can be helpful in this case. The board should show all tasks in your current sprint and their status, to do, in progress, or done. Step number 7 is to conduct a sprint review. So at the end of the sprint, review the work completed and any tasks left undone. This review process includes stakeholders and aims to get feedback and make any necessary adjustments. The 8th step is to hold a retrospective. And so after the sprint review, hold a retrospective where the team discusses what went well, what didn't, and what can be improved in the next sprint. And finally, you should plan your next sprint. So based on your review and retrospective, plan your next sprint, update your backlog, and reprioritize if needed. And then you should start the process all over again. Implementing the Agile marketing methodology is a learning process, and it requires iteration and continuous improvement. But the benefits of increased adaptability, improved productivity, and more effective marketing make the journey worthwhile. Thank you very much for watching that video, and if you have any questions about Agile marketing or any other work methodology, we're happy to help you. Just drop us a comment and we'll get back to you.